gonna head on out. Alright, today is the 24th of October 2014. We have Wanley in the front seat, John in the back of this 1945 North American built SNJ-6. It's also known as the T-6 Texan, or the Harvard. This aircraft was used as an advanced fighter trainer in World War II. That was its primary purpose. It was the last step a cadet would take in their training process before they went on to fly the single-seat airplanes like a P-51 Mustang or a Corsair, Hellcat, Wildcat, Spitfire. The particular airplane we're sitting in built May of 1945, as are all three of the airplanes we operate at Warbird Adventures. All started their careers with the United States Navy at Pensacola Naval Air Station, Pensacola, Florida. Served in the Navy till the mid to late 1950s before the type was finally retired. Today we're going out for a 15-minute introductory flight out of Kissimmee, Florida. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's start heading out. So I'm going to make sure the tail wheel steering is engaged, and it is. We're going to start adding a little bit of power. We've got a long taxi ahead of us. Clear on the right, clear on the left. Let's get out of here. As we do that, let's get the local weather, see what's going on.
Advise on initial contact. You have information, Oscar. Kissimmee Airport information, Oscar, 1445 Zulu weather. Wind 010 at 6, visibility 10. Sky condition is scattered 3,600. Temperature 23, dew point 16, altimeter 3001. Visual approach in use, landing departing runway 33.
Ground, Texas 1, single ship taxi, Oscar.
Texas 1, Kissimmee ground, runway 33, Charlie Alpha, hold short of 33 at Charlie.
33 Charlie Alpha, hold short of 33 Charlie, Texas 1.
This Chopper John?
Yeah, it is.
How you doing?
Pretty good, back from crop dusting.
Do you log those hours?
When I remember to. Alright, so we're going to taxi on down to the runway here. We're going to keep going straight ahead till we get to the other side of the runway. And then we'll make a right, and then we have to taxi down about a mile before we get to the end. Once we get to the end, we'll add some power to the engine.
Tex 1, no delay, cross 33.
No delay, crossing 33, Tex 1. Got our clearance to cross, looking to the right, looking to the left, no one's coming, we're going to keep on moving. Alright, here comes that right turn. We'll just kind of keep on cruising down.
Tex 1, cross 624.
Cross 64, Tex 1. Alright, got our clearance to taxi all the way to the end now, so we'll keep on doing that. Like I was saying, once we get to the end, we're going to pull over to the side. We're going to do what we call a run-up. We're going to add power to the engine, and we're going to check some systems on board the aircraft here.
Romeo, taxi straight ahead via Echo, left at Golf, cross 624 to signature underneath the tower.
Echo Golf, cross 24, signature, 9 runway.
Tex 1, give way to the Malibu.
We'll give way, Tex 1. We'll give way, Tex 1. Alright, the airplane's clear. We're going to check our hydraulic system, the ignition system, and our propeller control system when we get down there. Make sure everything's working. Make sure everything's working like it's supposed to, and it should be. Airplanes are pretty well maintained here. We'll just keep on cruising down. That's kind of a scary looking thing. Alright, almost to the end. Just about 400 feet or so to go. Here we go, we're going to pull over to the side like we talked about. Head over to this corner over here to get out of everyone's way. I'm going to unlock our tail wheel. And we'll kind of maneuver the airplane right over here. Alright. Here we go with our run-up. Like I said, we're going to add a bunch of power to the engine. We'll go to about 1300 RPM. We're going to check our hydraulic system that controls the landing gear and the flaps. I got about 900 PSI, that's good. Now we'll go to 1600 RPM, 1600. We're going to check our propeller control. We're going to cycle it 3 times. We're looking for a 200 RPM drop. Increase engine manifold pressure, fluctuation oil pressure, no oil on the windshield. One more time. We'll go to 2000 RPM, and we're going to do our magneto check. Left mag is good, back to both, right mag, that's good, back to both, temperatures and pressure's looking good. We'll bring the power on back. Alright, control check time. Stick's going to move around all over the place. Looking out at the wings, want to make sure the ailerons are working. Elevator behind us, and the rudder flaps are up. Trim is set. Left fuel tank is selected. Proper mixture full. Forward max to both. Altimeter set. Radio set. Check transponder on. Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this. Fairfax 1 ready, 33, like a left 45, turn out over the museum.
Section 1 approved. Section 1 clear for takeoff, runway 33.
Clear for takeoff, 33, we got the Cessna inside, Section 1. Alright, here we go, clear for takeoff, final approach is clear. Runway is going to be clear.
Number 759, make right traffic.
Make right traffic, 759.
Clear touch and go, runway 33, left traffic on the go.
We'll go ahead and terminate 759.
759, clear to land, runway 33.
Clear land 33, 759.
Alright, in the air. What do you think so far?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Alright.
90 Juliet, taxi Alpha 3 Alpha to Sun State, monitor ground.
Monitor ground, Alpha 3 Alpha to Sun State, 90 Juliet.
Alright, you want to try flying the airplane?
Okay.
Okay, right hand on that stick. Very, very light grip. You just barely want to touch it like we talked about, okay?
Okay.
So we're going to try an up-down, left and right lesson here. What I want you to do is raise, you want to keep looking outside. You want to raise the nose, so let's gently pull back on the control stick. And watch that nose go up. Keep on pulling. There you go. That's going up. To put the nose back down, like we talked about on the ground, you go forward a little bit, very gently, very gently. There you go. That's up and down. Let's try going to the left. So let's go left stick. You'll see the airplane will roll to the left a little bit. That's good for the bank angle right there. We're just going to hold this. And we're going to let the airplane turn on its own here. Just does it pretty much all on its own. Okay, to go straight ahead, put that stick to the right. And we're going to level the wings. There we go. Let's stop it. Put the stick in the middle. Let's lower the nose a little bit. We'll go forward on the stick just a hair. Right there is good. Hold it right there. If you look to the right, you'll see Disney World out there. There's the Epcot Golf Ball, Swan and Dolphin Hotel, Hollywood Studios. We'll go fly by Magic Kingdom real quick here, okay?
Okay.
A little bit of left stick. Hold it right there. Perfect.
So 759 or turn right Alpha 3, Alpha to Sun State, monitor ground 0.7.
Alpha 3 Alpha to Sun State, monitor 0.7759.
Where are you from?
Venezuela.
Okay. How long are you here for?
Here.
A year?
Yeah.
Wow. And what are you doing here? You going to school and everything?
Yeah.
What's your favorite subject?
Science.
What's that?
Science.
Science, all right. Very nice. This is Florida, very flat.
Yeah.
A lot of swamp, a lot of alligators.
Yeah.
you live in the Orlando or Kissimmee area?
What?
Where do you live?
Miami.
Miami, okay. All right, let's start a right turn. So we're going to go put that stick to the right. There you go. Nice and easy. Very good. All right, we're going to make the airplane go straight ahead, so put the stick to the left till we're going straight. Right there's good. We'll put the stick right back in the middle. Good job. What do you think of this flying? Do you like it?
Yeah.
You know, it's pretty neat, isn't it? This is way better than that soaring ride at Epcot. A little bit of to the right, just a little. Hold it right there. We're going to put the nose down, so we'll go forward just a little bit. There you go. Perfect, perfect. Tower, Texan 110 west overhead.
Texan 1, Kissimmee Tower, initial runway 33, left, right.
Initial 33, left, right, Texan 1. Let's go to the right. There we go, straight ahead. Now we're going to level the wing, so we'll go a little bit of left stick. There we go, perfect. Alright, so we're heading back to the airport. What we're going to do when we get back is what we call the overhead arrival. It's what the military guys do. We're going to overfly the runway, and then we're going to do a left turn, circle back around for the landing. Alright, I have control of the airplane. Good job. How you doing up there, good?
Yeah.
Alright. have you been in the United States already? There's the airport off to our left over there. You can see the 2 runways.
Texan 1000's approved, left brake, runway 33, clear to land. Long brake, short approach approved.
Hey, 1000, left brake, clear to land, 33, and all the other stuff. Thanks, Texan 1. Alright, so here we go. Like I said, we're going to do the overhead arrival. Fly over the runway about 1,000 feet. Then we're going to do a left turn, circle back around for our landing. Alright, here we go, another left turn. Landing gears coming down. You feel a couple bumps as they lock into place.
Helicopter 33 goes up 2 minutes.
Up to 33, Echo, roger.
Alright, here comes our flaps. They're coming down. Alright, landing gear is down, lock flaps are down, trim is set, mixture's full rich, prop full forward before landing checklist is complete. We have been cleared to land, the runway is clear. On the ground, back in the air, on the ground again. All right, remember how to open that canopy with that red handle? Yeah, there you go. Bring it all the way back. Go and open it. All the way, all the way. There you go. You gonna let go? Perfect.
Texan 1, taxi parking.
Parking, Texan 1, thanks.
Well, what'd you think? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Awesome stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
You did real well. You flew the airplane very nicely. Very small, controlled movements. I like that. That's how you want to fly it. All right, Wanley, thanks for flying. Awesome job. I'll be right up there to give you a hand out, okay?
Alright.
All right, thank you.